In this recipe, we'll be making the famous Dominican pan relleno, which will contain 4 cups of bread flour, 3/4 of a cup of warm luke water, and 1/4 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 package of instant yeast, 1 egg. Now that everything is combined, we will mix it in low. Mixing will be for about 15 minutes. Once your dough is nice and mixed, it will look like this. You will notice it will not stick to the sides or the bowl. Now grab your dough and turn it into a nice ball. Make sure your dough looks just like this, and you would know you have a nice dough going. Once you have your dough looking like a nice ball, throw in some vegetable oil spray in the bottom and the top and cover it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, uncover. Now we will proceed to cut our dough into 4 pieces. Now we will grab one of the pieces and cut it into 3-ounce balls. You could probably cut one of the balls into 3 pieces to make it 3 ounces, or approximately 3 ounces, or you could use a weight like I'm using. Once we cut our dough into 3-ounce balls, we will get ham, salami, whichever meat you want to use. Make sure it's pre-cooked, and we're going to shred it into mini pieces, just the way you see it here. Make sure you use this part of the grate. After shredding whichever meat you use, this is how it should look. Now we'll get a skillet, put some vegetable oil, make it nice and hot, and cook it for approximately 3 minutes until golden brown. Now we will grease our pan where we will be cooking our bread. Get a bowl, turn it into a kind of a pancake, and stuff it with your meat and cheese. And this process will be repeated with each one. Hey, don't judge me on this one. Here, try to get a little creative and make a different shape. Sort of like a hot dog bun, but stuff. So all our dough is done and stuff. We will put it in the pan. We'll spray some vegetable oils on top. Put it in the oven with steam, water, while the oven is off. After you see it double, bring it out, egg wash it. Put the oven to 375 with that steam water. After 10 minutes, remove your steam water, rotate your bread, and this will be your results after 25 minutes. Yum, yum, yum.